On today's video, I'm gonna be repainting the finish on this BMW winter wheels before I install them on the car. As you can see, all the paint finish on this winter wheels are already worn out and scratched. So this is how the mags look like on the car. As you can see, the finish on the mags are terrible. So it's time for them to get a new paint job. First, we have to wash all the wheels with soap and water just to make sure there's no dirt or grease on them. It's a good preparation before we start painting the mags. So after washing, I just dried them out with a blower. So we're gonna need the 400 grit sandpaper, alcohol, and 2 cans of wheel paint. I chose the color bronze for this job. Now it's time to wet sand each wheels, prepare for painting. After sanding, rinse all the wheels and dry them with a blower. After drying, we have to mask all the tires. After masking, we have to clean all the wheels with alcohol. Now it's time to paint the wheels. Apply 2 light coats, followed by 1 medium wet coat. All coats should be applied within 1 hour, allowing to dry 10 minutes between each coat. the paint is dry, unmask all the tires. Now here's the final finish. So this is how it's gonna look like when you put the mags on the car. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna install them today. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.